morning, everyone. So today I have for you a super simple, super delicious, pretty healthy chive and mushroom bun. I mean, it is fluffy, it is fragrant, it is awesome, it is everything that you would want in a bun. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. Okay, so there's minimal ingredients in this filling. I tried to make it kind of nice and healthy, but also nice and easy as well. So I started with 1/3 of a cup of mung beans that I cooked in like 1 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of bouillon cubes. So it's kind of nice and soft already, and I drained any additional liquid. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped Chinese chives along with 4 shiitake mushrooms that I minced really finely, so it would kind of, melt in the center of the bun. Then I'm going to add in all of the flavoring ingredients, which is just some minced garlic, some sesame oil, soy sauce, and then a little bit of vegan oyster sauce so that it's kind of sweet and a little bit salty. But make sure to taste your filling afterwards, because some soy sauces are different, so you might have to add a little bit more salt and adjust to your taste. So this is that fluffy bao bread recipe that needs no introduction. I'm gonna put a link up top and to the bottom for this recipe, but pretty easy. It's just, flour, water, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of yeast, and I think a little bit of oil as well. But the baos for this come out fluffy each and every time from this dough, and I love it so much. So again, usually I'll divide this into 12 for smaller baos, but again, this time I'm a little bit lazy, so I only want to fill about 6 of them. So I'm going to cut it up into 6, so they're going to make 6 larger baos. So let's get to the rolling. It's the same old technique, but it works each and every time, right? So I roll it out right about into 5 inches in diameter, and then afterwards I concentrate on rolling kind of the outer inch into something thinner, and that way it'll be easier for me to pleat later on and fold up the buns. So in terms of filling, oh my gosh, I think I filled this with like right around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Depends on how lucky I'm feeling that day, right? So you do want to fill it up because it turns out to be somewhat of a giant bun. But I find it's really useful to kind of keep it compact with the spoon already. So you're turning it into this circular shape. And then with the pleating, check out what I'm doing now, is I'm folding essentially 1/2 inch pleats. And every time I fold, I pinch to seal, and I fold, and then I pinch to seal. And you can see that I'm also, at the same time, lifting the bun and rotating it so that I can get to, basically my next point. I always have a problem closing these off, but when you get to the last one, simply crimp it one more time and just continue twisting the bun, right? You're gonna twist and then pinch off a little bit of the top, and then that way everything is sealed. You can kind of adjust it a little bit to turn it back into a circle, and then place it onto parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to the steamer. This goes into a preheated steamer, medium-high heat for right around 10 to 12 minutes until it just puffs up and becomes all magical and yummy and fluffy, and yeah, you guys will know. it's as soft and fluffy as it looks, and the center you have like the beans and you have the chives and the mushrooms, so it's just nice and meaty and chewy, and it really wasn't all that complicated at all, right? No fake meats, no nothing. And the beans actually work wonders as a meaty substitute. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!